So, in the previous class of 4-digit number, we were discussing about ascending order, descending order and many more things. But in exercise 1I, there are some sums which are little bit different in ascending order and in descending order. That is not tough, but that is little bit different. Everyone can see on page number 26, from page number 26 to 27, you can see question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. They are in, you have to do in that ascending order and in descending order only. But the method is little bit different. So today we are going to see these sums. So let's see. In these question, what you have to do? You have to form the smallest or largest digit number which is with the number given. Okay. Suppose the number is 2, 4, 1 and 5. The number this is given. And what you have to do? Digits are not repeated. You have to form a smallest or a largest digit number with the help of these numbers only. And the digits should not be repeated again. Okay? So, what you have to do? The digits should not be repeated and we have to use these numbers only. So, first of all, we will see the smallest one. So, let's see. Smallest. So, in the smallest is known as ascending order. Okay? Ascending order, in that I have told you that it always starts from small to big. I have told you earlier. So, we will see now in this how we can arrange these four numbers from small to big. Okay? So, see, which number is the smallest in all these four numbers? You can see that is 1. Okay? After that, which one is the smallest number? That is 2. After that, 4. And the biggest one is 5. So, what we are seeing? That we have created a 4-digit number, a smallest 4-digit number with the help of these numbers. Okay, what we have done? We have taken the smallest number 1, first of all. After that, in that, 2 is the smallest. After that, 4 is the smallest. And after that, 5 is the smallest. Okay, so like this, we have created a 4-digit number, a smallest 4-digit number. Okay, now we will see the largest 4-digit number. So, largest. So, in the largest, I have told you earlier also that if in the smallest, small to big it is going. So, in the largest, how it is going? From big to small. It is going from big to small. So, now what we will do? We will take the same number. Okay? This number only we are taking to form a largest 4-digit number with the help of these 4 numbers. Okay? And digits are not repeated. We don't have to repeat the digits. So now we will see that how we can make. So like in descending order you do na, same process you will use here also. Now you will see in all these 4 numbers which number is the biggest. Which number is the largest? Yes, you are absolutely right. 5 is the largest number. So first of all we will write 5. Okay. After that, second one is 4. Correct. 4. After that, yes, 2. And the last one is 1. Okay. So like this, we have formed a largest 4-digit number with the help of these numbers. So this was the smallest and smallest 4-digit number with the number given, and this is the largest number with the given number of this 4-digit number. See, it has not been repeated also, because in the instruction this will be written that digits are not repeated. Digits should not be repeated. Understood everyone? Now, what you have to do? Now you have to form a smallest 4-digit number while repeating the numbers which are given. Okay? If the number, any number is given to you, okay, many digits are given to you and you have, what you have to do? You have to form a 4-digit number. Only 3-digit numbers are given to you. Like 3, 9 and and 7. Okay? This is given to you, only 3-digit number, and you have to form a 4-digit number with the help of these 3-digit number. You have to form a 1000 word. That means 4-digit number. What is written? Digits are repeated. So digits can be repeated. So how you will do? Now let's see. If we have taken this number, how we will do? So see, if we are first of all doing the smallest number. If we are doing the smallest, so what we are doing? Now see, which number is the smallest in this? You all can see that 3 is the smallest, right? 3 is the smallest. And now what we have to do? We have to repeat, we can repeat the numbers, okay, to form a smallest number. So how we will do? When we are forming a smallest digit number, while repeating the numbers, we will focus on 3. Why? Because 3 is the smallest number in all these 3 numbers. So that's why we will write 3 here. 3, 2 times. Okay? Then we will write 7 and then we will write 9. Understood? Why we have written 3 2 times? Because we have to form 4-digit number while repeating the numbers. Okay? We have to form 4-digit number with the given 3-digit number. हमें 3-digit, मेरे पास क्या है? Only 3-digit numbers we are having, right? And we have to form 4-digit number. अगर हमें 4-digit number form करने हैं सिर्फ 3 digits से, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? Digits are repeated और हम digits repeat कर सकते हैं. If we have to make the smallest digit number, how we will do? Which is the smallest number in the given number? जो भी सबसे छोटा number होगा, उसको हम 2 times लिखेंगे. That number we will write 2 times. Understood? Like this as I have written. Okay? So this will be the smallest 4-digit number. Right? This will be the smallest 4-digit number. Now, this number only we are taking 3, 9 and 7. Now we have to form what? We have to form the largest. Now how we will form the largest? So now focus on these 3 numbers, right? And now see that which number is the largest in these 3. Yes, you are absolutely right. 9 is the largest 3-digit number, right? So if 9 is the largest 3-digit number, what we will do? See, as we have done in the smallest, we have written 3 2 times. Here we will write 9 2 times. Okay? 9, after that which number is the largest after 9? Here 7. And now here 3. Okay? Now understood? Whenever it is asked smallest or largest, if only 3 numbers are given or if only 2 numbers are given, but here only 3 numbers are given, so what you will do? Just in the smallest, you will repeat the smallest number twice. That means 2 times you will write. And in the largest, you will, what you will do? You will write the largest number 2 times. That means twice you will write. Understood everyone? So like this we have got the largest 4-digit number. Okay? Now in the examination, if it is coming like 3, 9, 7 as I have given, it was just an example. But if any number is given and you have to write, you have to form a 4-digit number or 5-digit number, 4-digit number, 3-digit number if 2 is only there. So I think so now you all can do it. Okay? If you can see in question number 6, write the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using the digits 0 and 9. These may be repeated. So this is the question. Okay. 0 and 9 we have written. Here it is said that you can repeat the numbers also. So first of all we will start with smallest number. Okay. So if you have to make a smallest 4-digit number, okay, with the help of 0 and 9, how will you make? Smallest number in these two are 0, right? But can you tell me that if you are writing the 0 here like this, if you are repeating also, like we are writing like this, okay, we have written like this, can you tell me that what you will read this number? What you will read? You will read only 9. That this is 9. Okay? You will not read 0, 000 and 9. No. It will be of no value. Beta, if the 0 is in front, it is of no value. Okay? But if we are rubbing the 0, okay? We are rubbing the 0, and if we are putting the 0 at the back, what we are getting? What we are getting? We are getting 9,000. We have made 4-digit number, right? We have made 4-digit number with the help of 0 and 9. Okay? If the 0, if you are writing like this, if you are putting 0 in the front, it is of no use. Because when you are writing 0 in front of the number, the value of 0 becomes nothing. The value of 0 will become 0 only. Okay? But if the zeros, if we are putting at the back of the numbers, there is some meaning. It will become in thousands. It can become in 100. It can become in tens. Ones, tens, 100. It can become. Understood? So you will not put in front of the number 0, but you will put at the back. So like this, what we are getting? We are getting the smallest 4-digit number. What is it? It is 9, 0, 0 and 0. Right? Like 9,000 we get it as the smallest 4-digit number. Now we will talk about the largest 4-digit number. So what we will write now? So the numbers you can repeat. So 9 or 0 you can repeat it to make a largest 4-digit number. So how will you make? So like this. If we are writing 9, 9 and 9. Then we are writing 0. So it will be the largest 4-digit number. Understood? We have repeated the number and at the last we have written 0 because 0 is also there and we have to write 0 because with these two numbers we have to form a 4-digit number. Understood? So like this we have got the smallest number and like this we have got the largest 4-digit number using 0 and 9. Okay? So let's see one more example. So if you have taken the number 402, this is the number. Okay? So now you have to form a smallest number. Smallest number. How you will write? The smallest one is 0. Like this we have written. Second smallest, what it will be? It will be 2. Third, it will be 4. So again, the 0 we have written in front. So that means this 0 is of no value. Okay? We will read only this 24. But if we are writing like this, we have to make a smallest number ना, हमें सबसे छोटा number form करना है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? We will write like this. See, first of all, if 0 is of no use, तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम दूसरा छोटा number देखेंगे. 0 के बाद जो भी numbers होंगे, 0 के बाद जो number सबसे छोटा होगा, हम उसको सबसे पहले लिखेंगे. Okay? So like this. Okay? We have written 2. And what we have to form? We have to form the smallest number. With these 3 numbers only we are forming. So just see how we will do. We will write this 2. Okay. Then we will write 0. Then we will write this 4. Now this will be the correct one. 204. Okay. We have formed this number. Okay. And as you are thinking that if you have to make a 4-digit number, how you will make? So I told you which number is the smallest in all these. You will make like this, like 2004. So this will be the 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number. Okay. So now largest 4-digit number, what we will do? What we will do in largest 4-digit number? We see what we are going to do. Again this number, so you all can see that 4 is the largest number. We have written 4, okay? After that, which number? 2 is there. So now 2 we will write here. 0 is there, then we will write here. So it will become 420. Okay, it will become 420. This will be the 3-digit number, the greatest, the largest 3-digit number. But if we have to make 4-digit number the largest, with the help of these 3 numbers only, what we will do? We will write here, see everyone. 4, as I told you, you will take the greatest number twice. 2 times you will take, you will write that number, which is the greatest. So 4 is the greatest. So 4, 4, 2 and then 0. So like this we have got the 4-digit number. The largest, the greatest 4-digit number with the help of these 3 numbers. Have you all understood? So please children, question number 4, 5, 6, practice it again and again with the help of new numbers. Practice it in your rough copy, okay? And as I have given the copy work completed from exercise 1A, the exercises are given till exercise 1I. I think so it is given. So complete it in your fair copy in a good handwriting. Okay everyone?